We're here today at Hanging Rock to finish the installation of our Motus system that's going to allow us to track any kind of migratory animal that passes within the vicinity of our antennas. It's not only raptors that are associated with the Hanging Rock. Monarch butterflies actually are known to migrate past Hanging Rock as well. And we don't know exactly if it's just in the spring or the fall that this is a migratory corridor. It could be one is more used in the spring versus the fall, and the Motus project is going to allow us to determine that. This is an example of a radio tag used by the Motus network. All radio tags are read by the system by the same dedicated international frequency, but the way you tell the individual animals apart is that there are different pulses associated with each tag. And as the pulses are read by the Motus computer, we can tell those individuals apart, whether it's a bird, butterfly, or bat. I'm actually on a Wi-Fi hotspot checking the data as it comes in, and I actually have a series of live pulses that it's reading right now in real time, and that's an example of the kind of data we'll download and then figure out what kind of migratory animals are actually passing the station.
We have our data goes back to 1952, as we've had an active hawk watch since then. In the fall, we have volunteers that come up and will identify the species as they come by. We record each hour how many of each species we see. All this data goes to the Hawk Migration Association of North America. They collect data from every hawk watch in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. We get about 6,000 raptors in total during the season, but one day last year I was fortunate enough to be here for our single-day record broad-winged hawk count. We had over 3,100 broadwings in that one single day, and the broad-winged hawk pretty much makes up about 2/3 of our total for all species.